Most people visit Amber Fort during the day, but the real story begins after sunset. When night falls, these ancient walls don't just stand in silence. They speak. The fort was built in the late 1500s by Raja Man Singh I. After seeing Amber Fort during the day, I attended the light and sound show in the evening, and this footage captures the fort at night. The light and sound show at Amber Fort is an evening experience designed to present the fort's history through narration, music, and light projected onto the walls themselves. The show uses sound and light to guide visitors through key moments from the fort's past, making the history easy to follow and engage. The show takes place in an open seating area facing Amber Fort, so the fort itself becomes the backdrop. You're seated outdoors with a clear, uninterrupted view of the walls in front of you. The light and sound show at Amber Fort is presented in both English and Hindi. Each language has a separate timing, and the show timings can vary slightly depending on the season. Each show usually lasts for about 50 to 55 minutes, and the ticket price is 200 rupees per person. I hope you liked my video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.